So people are getting very excited for the potential release of the Venom 2 trailer. Although there's really been no hints towards a release, and seeing how Hollywood is right now, there's probably no real hope that it's going to drop. But we'll talk about why people believe it's going to drop soon and why it's probably not. We know Venom 2 was in production. We don't know what's happened with it, considering we've had so many little updates on it that we really don't know if they got to wrap production before everything kind of fell apart or what happened with the film. We really have no idea. Now, obviously, the release date is still set in stone, much like many of the films this summer. So if things are on schedule, then the film should start teasing something sometime soon. Now, people have taken to social media to talk about why they expect that it's gonna, something at least, is gonna be released soon, possibly the teaser trailer. And if you guys look at it, it's a pretty good theory to go by. You look at when the original film with a similar release date teased something, you look at the other films that they have, you're like, you know what, you can kind of make a pattern. And obviously we did this with pretty much every Marvel Studios movie, and it makes sense. Like Black Widow, people are like, oh well, if we just follow what happened the last time, and it happened to be right on the money. And this happens all the time typically, and it just kind of makes sense, right? Because studios have a track record and a pattern that they like to follow. Now again, things aren't going exactly as planned this year for anybody, so, I think it's safe to say that you're probably not getting a Venom 2 teaser soon, because honestly, you would release the teaser so you can attach it to films coming out to theaters. There's not that many films coming out to theaters, so why would you release a teaser? Sure, you can get a lot of internet hype, again, but there's a lot of people that aren't sway and, part of this online culture that don't know that there's a Venom 2 in production, right? So again, they would miss it. And again, teaser trailers are big because they're attached to upcoming studio releases. Now again, Sony has some pretty important movies coming out towards the summer. So again, if they hold it off and then start hitting a giant marketing push with Morbius, that would make sense. Maybe even with Wonder Woman 84. But as of right now, it just doesn't seem like they need to release the Venom 2 anything, because why would they? And honestly, seeing how Sony as a whole has dropped the ball with marketing pretty much everything, including the PlayStation 5, yeah, probably just wait.